Hello everyone, I'm back with another SAT video, and today it's a mathematical question again, I think from practice set number 4, and yeah, non-calculator section. So let's read this question and let's see what it says. So the mesosphere is the layer of Earth's atmosphere between 50 kilometers and 85 kilometers above the Earth's surface. So this is probably most likely just an additional info. We don't need it to solve the question. At a distance of 50 kilometers from the Earth's surface, the temperature in the mesosphere is minus 5 degrees Celsius. And at a distance of 80 kilometers from the Earth's surface, the temperature in the mesosphere is minus 80 Celsius. So these are unimportant. Yeah. For every additional 10 kilometer from the Earth's surface, the temperature in the mesosphere decreases by k degrees Celsius, where k is a constant. What is the value of k? So first of all, let's understand that for every additional 10 kilometers, this means, wait a minute, this means that for every, change in when there is, when distance changes by 10 kilometer, temperature changes by k degrees Celsius. So this is something you have to understand. So whenever the distance changes by 10 kilometer, the temperature changes by k degrees Celsius. So this is one thing. And the other thing is you can look this question in from the point of view of coordinate geometry. So we have been given two different kinds of data. So one is about the distance and other thing is about Celsius. So what you can think of is this question is as, let's say you have a graph and the x-axis is about the temperature T, and then the y-axis is about the distance D. So let's say the temperature is minus 5, so it will be somewhere around here, and then the distance is 50, so it will be somewhere around here, and then again the temperature is minus 80, so it will be somewhere around here, and then somewhere around here. So we've got two coordinates. What I'm trying to say is we've got two coordinates, and those coordinates are, wait a minute, let me just, yeah, so those coordinates are, if we are putting Celsius in the x-axis, then the coordinates will be minus 5 comma 50, and other one would be minus 80 comma 80, isn't it? Yeah. So it says for every additional 10 kilometers. So what it is trying to say is for change in for every change in distance by 10 kilometers, what is the change in temperature? So this can give us, kind of meaning of slope. So change in distance by change in Celsius temperature. Let's say it's change in C, but it is K according to the question. So how we find the slope is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So how we are going to do that is change in D by change in C is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. And why I did change in D by C is because we've got D in the y-axis and C in the x-axis. So that's how it is. And then so y2 minus y1 would be 80 minus 50, and then x2 minus x1 would be minus 80 plus 5. So sorry, here it is change in D. So change in D by change in C is equal to 30 by minus 75. We know the value of change in D. So what we can do is change in C by 10. We're just going to reciprocate 30. Therefore, change in C, which is K, according to the question, would be minus 25. You know, 10 times 75 is 750. 750 divided by 30 is 25. So if you want to write the unit, this is the answer. But then minus here only signifies that it is decreasing, so you don't have to write minus in your answer sheet. So yeah, this is how you solve this question. I hope you learned how to do this, and hope to see you in my next videos. Thank you.